We're going to take a look at the What's My Transformation Desmos activity. Okay, so in this first slide, and there's 14 of them here, you're starting with this one line, and it's really just one line. We are just going to change the slope and the y-intercept is really what we're doing. So I'm going to do red, orange, purple, and then blue. So if I start with red, I'll put it on the red line. And there we go. I have the red line. I didn't really even need to change that one. I have the orange line. I have the purple line. And I have the blue line. Now there's nothing that tells me I'm finished. I'm just going to go ahead and go to the next slide. So just like the last time, we're going to move these 2 points. Now this one right here is the vertex, and to get to the orange one, the vertex doesn't change. So as I move this other one here to make it a little bit wider, there we go. I can match that up with the orange one. If you move the vertex, it slides the whole thing. I have to make it a little bit narrower. To get to the other ones, I need to move it down, and now I have a negative parabola. I'll move the vertex to match, and so on. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, just like the other ones, we only have one shape, we just move it. So if you take a look at moving this one around, I'm going to put that right on that point there, and then I can, whoops, I need this to be going up. So let me put that right here on the curve, and see how I can do getting this one to match. Move it up just a bit. There we go. That's the idea there. And we just keep trying it until we get a little bit closer each time. There we go. I could do the same for the other ones. Now this one is quite a bit more difficult than the previous two. That's fine. Now there are different families of functions, and you can't turn one family of function into another just by transforming it, and that's the point of this particular slide right here. All right, hopefully that helps you get started. Just get through as best you can. There's 14 of them. Just keep clicking next. Let me know if you have any questions.